Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters. I am Dr. Divagaran Cochin. My subject is medical science and astrology. Today I am going to speak about the fracture of bonds through astrology. So many people are getting accidents and broken their limbs or bones. In olden days, Charaka Acharya, who made operations and rectify the broken bonds and etc. Vrishaba, Kanya and Magara Rashis ruled the bonds. Second, sixth and 10th house from Lagna, moon etc. are also placed, where from the position, strength and growth of bonds are to be judged. Saturn is the Karaka of all bonds. When Vrishaba, Kanya, Magara Rashis, second, sixth, 10th house, their lords and Saturn be afflicted. The ശനിക്ക് പാപയോഗം വരിക, കന്നിരാശിയായിട്ടോ വൃഷഭരാശിയായിട്ടോ മകരരാശിയായിട്ടോ വരികയും അത് സെക്കൻഡ് ഭാവമായിട്ട് വരികയൊക്കെ ചെയ്താൽ അയാൾക്ക് അപകടങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാകാനും അതിൽ എല്ലുകൾ ഒടിയാനും ഒക്കെ ഇടയുണ്ട്. വെൻ വൃഷഭ കന്യ മകര രാശീസ് സെക്കൻഡ് സിക്സ്ത് 10th house, their lords and Saturn be afflicted, badly placed, weak etc. in horoscope, one suffers from fractures and diseases of bonds. Sun, Mars and Mercury are also responsible for all bone fractures. Mercury is responsible for fractures of small bones. Mars and Sun work for all difficult fractions. When houses ruling bonds, their lords are Karaka planets, join or be raised to fracture of house. Third house rules the hands and collar bones. Third house also rules the right hand and 11th house rules the left hand. Mars is Karaka for neck and Saturn is Karaka for limbs. When above houses, their lords and planets ruling them be afflicted or badly situated along with the houses and the planets ruling bonds and be in any way related with the disease inflicting houses or planet, one suffers from fractures in hands and collar bones if the afflicted house be third house. Midun Rashi is the Kalapurusha of the collar bones. Midun Rashi and also Saturn be afflicted, the fracture will be in right hand. While affliction of third house, Midun Rashi and Mars will inflict fracture of collar bones in right side. When it is 11th house and Kumbha Rashi, it will be either left hand or collar bone in the left side. Vrishava Rashi and the second house rules the left one. Saturn is, as we know, Karaka for the limb. If the second house Vrishava Rashi, lord of the second house and Saturn be afflicted, the fracture of the bone will be the right leg. While afflictions of Meena Rashi, 12th house, lord of the 12th house and Saturn will be damaged the left leg. 11ാം ഭാവത്തിൽ പാപകരം നിൽക്കുകയും അതിന് ചൊവ്വയുടെ ബന്ധമൊക്കെ വരിക, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ രാഹു is the Karaka for the feet. When Rahu is also afflicted, the fracture will be the feet. Magar Rashi rules the knees and Kumbha Rashi rules the shanks. Further, Karaka Rashi rules the right knee and Magar Rashi rules the left knee, and Midun Rashi rules the right shanks, and Kumbha Rashi rules the left one. When these houses are afflicted along with the houses and the planets ruling the leg, the fracture will be in the part of the body ruled by the house afflicted. Fourth house rules the rims. Rims are the curved bonds reaching from spine round the upper part of the body. Saturn is Karaka for ribs. Sun is also another Karaka for ribs. Further, fourth house rules the right part along with the Karaka Rashi, and 10th house rules the left part of along with the Magar Rashi. When Karaka and the Magar Rashi, 4th and 10th house, their lords and the Karaka, Saturn and Sun be weak, badly placed, be the conjoined with the malefics and lords of the evil houses, and be in any way related with the diseases in inflicting houses or planets, and also the houses and the planets ruling bonds be afflicted. എല്ലുകളുടെ കാരകത്വമൊക്കെ ശനി സ്നായുവാണെന്നാണ്. വാദശ്ലേഷ്മ വികാര പാരവശ്യ. ശനി, Saturn is malefic and Sun also governs the എല്ലാ എല്ലുകളുടെയും കാരകത്വം സൂര്യനാണ്. സൂര്യന് പാപയോഗം വരിക, പാപബന്ധം വരിക, രണ്ടാം ഭാവം 7ാം ഭാവം ജാതകത്തിലെ മാരക സ്ഥാനങ്ങളാണ്. 2ാം ഭാവാധിപനോട് കൂടി ചേർന്ന് സൂര്യൻ ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് നിൽക്കുകയും ആ സൂര്യൻ രാഹുവിൻ്റെയോ കേതുവിൻ്റെയോ ഒക്കെ ബന്ധം വരികയോ ഒക്കെ ചെയ്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അയാൾക്ക് ആക്സിഡൻറ്റ് ഉണ്ടാകാനും അയാളുടെ വാരിയെല്ലുകൾ പൊട്ടുവാനും ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ട്. അതിനുശേഷം വാരിയെല്ലുകൾ ഓപ്പറേഷൻ ചെയ്ത് കറക്റ്റാക്കേണ്ടി വരുന്ന അവസ്ഥ ഉണ്ടാകും. 7th house rules the back side of the body. Mercury is ruled by spinal cord. When 7th house, lord of the 7th house, Mercury, and the house and the planets ruling bonds be afflicted badly situated, the conjoined with malefics and evil lords, they may be raise the breaking of spines, as Tula Rashi is the 7th house of natural zodiac. തുലാ രാശിയാണ് പ്രകൃതിയുടെ 7ാം ഭാവം. തുലാ രാശിയിൽ പാപഗ്രഹത്തിൻ്റെ ബന്ധം വരിക, പാപഗ്രഹങ്ങളോട് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് വരിക. It is also rules the spinal cords, and the strength should also be taken into consideration. When a combination for fracture of bones is present in a horoscope, the afflicted portions of the body is to be determined from the house and the ruling planets afflicted and the combined with the combination of fractures. There are many combinations for fractures of bonds, and I am giving some of them. Sun, Moon, Saturn and Mars in 8th house. Sun, Moon, Mars and Saturn in the 5th or 9th house. Rahu, Saturn and Mercury in the 10th house. Moon in Lagna, Saturn in the 4th house and Mars in the 10th house. Sun in Lagna, Saturn in the 5th house, Moon in the 8th house and Mars is in the 9th house. Moon in the Magar Rashi or Kumbha Rashi, hemmed between two malefics. Moon is in the 2nd house, Mars in 4th house and Sun in the 10th house. Sun in the 4th house, Saturn in the 8th house and Moon in the 10th house. Saturn in 2nd house, Moon in the 4th house and Mars in the 10th house. Mars and Moon in 6th house. Sun and Mars in the 3rd house aspected by Saturn. Similarly, we are to find the fractures of bond through astrology. Thank you very much. If you like my subject, please subscribe it and the bell button switch on. I'll come tomorrow with other subjects.